Which direction better? She gonna prick it up.
The direction, yeah.
Want a man to do the water. Whoa.
Take one, yeah.
Come check me. 6 feet apart. 6 feet. You record? you can continue recording. But make sure that we're 6 feet apart.
So this is measurement?
6 feet. How you doing? Janelle?
I'm good.
So last week we delivered to your office.
Yes, we did.
This week we delivered to your yard.
Yes.
We're not showing nobody where your yard is. We're not showing. Guys, you see how flexible we are, right? Work, home, wherever you're there, we find you and we deliver your items to you. You like it, don't it?
Yes.
This is what your second shipment to us?
No, it's actually my fourth. Yes.
Fourth
Very
shipment, guys. Yeah?
Very frequent.
Are you satisfied?
Yes.
Did I recommend it to anybody?
Always. My friend is about to sign up too.
And you know she's going to get a £5 coupon and you're going to get one too, right?
Yeah.
You hear that, guys? Get your family and friends. Get your family, friends, and everybody. It's evening now. I'm kind of tired. I'm sorry, guys. Get everybody to sign up and win a £5 coupon. Them said the evening is the best time to record videos.
Yeah.
Okay?
Light
In the
in.
twilight, in the lighting. Guys, we're here enjoying the twilight. We're gonna say goodbye. There's a link somewhere here. Click on the link, or maybe a link in the description. Click on it and join us today. Tell them bye-bye for me, Janet.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Catch you later. It's evening time.